Hey folks, today's video is about the coolest products. We've ranked them based on performance, price, durability, and more. Want the full scoop? Check the description for all the deets including the latest prices. Dolphin Nautilus CC. Pools are hard enough to maintain, so the machine doing the maintenance shouldn't add to the stress. From unboxing to the first drop into the water, it took less than 3 minutes to get the pre-assembled Dolphin Nautilus CC automatic robotic pool cleaner ready to go. We loved the design of this pool cleaner for its sleek, stingray-like look, and its comprehensive functions were impressive too. After a few cleaning sessions, we were able to easily remove the filter, empty it out, and click it back into place with no problem. Thanks to its quick water release function, you can move the machine in and out of the water effortlessly. Its scrubbers are not to be overlooked either. They worked diligently to brush every surface and collect the pollen, leaves, and other debris that had scattered around the pool. If you're a fan of no-frills machinery, then you'll love how minimalistic this cleaner is. There's no display of confusing buttons to press and program because you can simply plug in the pool vacuum, push a button, and drop the cleaner into the water for an enhanced clean. However, after 6 months of consistent use, the vacuum did stop working, but the customer service experience made up for it. Dolphin offered to fix the issue immediately and sent the return label so that the process was completely paid for, making this a happy ending in our book. AIPER. Introducing the AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, your ultimate solution for hassle-free pool maintenance. This innovative pool vacuum robot is equipped with dual-drive motors for maximum efficiency, ensuring a thorough and quick clean of both above-ground and in-ground pools. With a coverage area of up to 861 sqi ft, it's ideal for pools with flat floors. The AIPER Cordless Pool Cleaner boasts cutting-edge self-parking technology, making it incredibly user-friendly. After its 90-minute cleaning cycle, it automatically returns to its charging station, ready for the next use. Say goodbye to manual pool cleaning and hello to more relaxation time. This cleaner is designed to tackle dirt, debris, and algae, leaving your pool crystal clear and inviting. Its cordless operation means no tangled cords, and it's eco-friendly, running on a rechargeable battery. Invest in the AIPER Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner to enjoy a sparkling clean pool effortlessly so that you can spend more time swimming and less time cleaning. Say hello to a pristine pool paradise. Betta SE. Everyone focuses on the dirt and debris that accumulates at the bottom of the pool and the slimy algae that can creep up on the walls. But let's not forget about the never-ending debris that falls onto the top of the water. Skimming the top of the pool water is a must before entering the pool in many households. Many kids won't jump in if they see the tiniest of bugs floating around, and we can't blame them. And skimming a pool the old-fashioned way with a pole and net can take forever on a hot day when all you want to do is get cooled off without bugs in your hair. We leave it in the pool when we're not swimming, and we have not had to skim once this swimming season. This wasn't a deal breaker though, because as the filter runs, the debris stays in the back of the robot. It also features a remote control that lets you direct the robot to specific parts of your pool. As pool owners for 20 years, we found this to be by far one of the most useful tools we've come across. We live in an area that has a lot of pollen and cottonwood flying around, so much so that some days we joke that it's snowing out. Since we've been using this unit, our pool stays crystal clean on top. Using an automatic skimmer like this also preserves the life of our sand filter, as fewer small particles make their way into the pool's system. WYBOT. The WYBOT Pool Cleaner is a sophisticated cordless robotic cleaner designed for above-ground pools. With a long battery life of up to 130 minutes, you can easily clean your pool without any hassle. The cordless design eliminates the need for tangled hoses and reduces the risk of power shortouts. The powerful motor and efficient cleaning features allow the cleaner to effectively capture dirt and debris, leaving your pool sparkling clean in no time. The strong suction can handle leaves, debris, and sand, making it the ideal choice for your daily cleaning needs. Additionally, the self-parking feature ensures easy retrieval when the battery is low, and the convenient LED display provides clear battery life and machine status information. With the WYBOT Pool Cleaner, you can enjoy a clean and safe pool with minimal effort. Invest in the WYBOT Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner to experience a crystal clear pool with minimal effort. Enjoy more time in the water and less time worrying about pool maintenance, all thanks to this sophisticated and efficient pool cleaner. Your pool deserves the best, and the WYBOT is here to deliver just that. Polaris NEO. The Polaris NEO robotic pool cleaners is a good option for those looking for an easy-to-use and efficient pool cleaner for in-ground pool in the low to middle price ranges. The cyclonic vacuum technology provides powerful suctions, while the push-and-go Easy Cleans filter canister makes cleaning easy. And finally, the drive system with track ensures a smooth and thorough clean. Polaris robotic vacuum use cyclonic vacuum technology. This work in the pool robots like Vortex vacuum technology does in a conventional vacuum cleaners. Inside the pool vacuums, a small vortex is created which ensure that large and fine debris is captured and held within the canisters, preventing loss of suction and a clean pool. This means the risks of anything blocking the intake is significantly reduced, and the robotic cleaners will sustain performance throughout the total cycle. The Polaris NEO's oversized intakes area is the perfect solution for swimming pool owners who have a problem with large debris, such as leaves and twigs. With its extra-large intake areas, NEO can easily collect these large pieces of debris, leaving your pool clean and debris-free. If you are looking for a no-fuss, efficient, and affordable robotic pools cleaner from a leading brand, this Polaris Robotic Pool Cleaners is a great option. Its cyclonic vacuum technology and wall-hugging tank tread makes sure to leave your pool clean and debris-free. Moolan Cordless. The cutting-edge battery design ensures a rapid 2.5-3-hour charge time, providing an impressive 140 minutes of cleaning power. Moolan's pool vacuum caters to round above-ground pools and in-ground flat-floored pools of up to 1200 XL lyrics, 6 or rakes TE crowd skiefties. When it encounters a wall, this robotic cleaner intelligently reverses its course, and when the battery runs low, it autonomously navigates closer to the shore. Thanks to its robust dual-drive motors, the Moolan Pool Robot adeptly tracks down and captures a wide range of dirt and debris. With 2 independent brushes, it guarantees a thorough cleaning performance. Please note that it doesn't handle wall climbing. Plus, the LED indicator keeps you informed about your pool cleaner's status. This weekend, reclaim your free time as the cordless S2 pool vacuum diligently tackles the cleaning chore, all without the hassle of messy hoses or tangled cords. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channels and please hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.